On January 13th, 2012, the world was shaken by a maritime disaster that would become one of the deadliest cruise ship accidents in recent history. The sinking of the Costa Concordia. It began as a routine voyage with over 4,200 passengers and crew members embarking on a 7-day Mediterranean cruise aboard the luxurious Costa Concordia. But Captain Schettino's decision to perform a salute to Giglio Island would prove disastrous, as the ship veered off course and struck a submerged rock formation. The collision tore a massive gash in the ship's hull, causing chaos and confusion among passengers and crew members as the vessel began to rapidly sink. Amidst the chaos, the evacuation process was marred by delays and disorganization, leaving many passengers stranded and fighting for their lives. In a cowardly act, Captain Schettino abandoned ship, leaving behind a sinking vessel and countless lives in peril. Despite the challenges, emergency services launched a massive rescue operation, risking their lives to save those stranded aboard the sinking ship. Tragically, 32 people lost their lives in the Costa Concordia disaster, leaving behind grieving families and a world in shock. In the aftermath of the disaster, Captain Schettino faced criminal charges, including manslaughter and abandoning ship before all passengers were evacuated. The sinking of the Costa Concordia serves as a solemn reminder of the devastating consequences of negligence and hubris at sea, a tragedy that will never be forgotten. The Costa Concordia disaster offers several important lessons that can be learned. 1. Safety first. Prioritizing safety protocols and procedures is paramount in the maritime industry. Ship captains and crew members must adhere to strict navigation guidelines and emergency protocols to ensure the safety of passengers and crew. 2. Accountability and responsibility. Ship captains bear a significant responsibility for the safety and well-being of everyone on board. They must make informed decisions based on sound judgment and prioritize the lives of passengers and crew above all else. 3. Effective communication. Clear and effective communication is essential during emergency situations. Crew members must be trained to communicate calmly and efficiently with passengers, providing clear instructions and guidance to ensure a safe and orderly evacuation. 4. Emergency preparedness. Adequate training and preparedness are crucial for responding to emergencies effectively. Crew members should undergo regular training drills and simulations to familiarize themselves with emergency procedures and protocols. 5. Coordination and collaboration. During crisis situations, coordination and collaboration between emergency responders, maritime authorities, and other stakeholders are essential. Effective teamwork and communication can save lives and mitigate the impact of a disaster. 6. Lessons from mistakes. It's important to learn from past mistakes and failures to prevent similar incidents from occurring in the future. The Costa Concordia disaster serves as a sobering reminder of the consequences of negligence, complacency, and hubris. 7. Continuous improvement. The maritime industry must continuously strive to improve safety standards, regulations, and protocols to prevent accidents and protect lives. Lessons learned from past incidents should inform future policies and practices to enhance safety and security at sea. Overall, the Costa Concordia disaster underscores the importance of vigilance, accountability, and preparedness in ensuring the safety and well-being of passengers and crew members aboard cruise ships and other vessels. Thanks for watching.